going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a chest workout using minimal equipment. I'm just gonna use my parallettes here and a few resistance bands. And we're gonna be able to have a good, effective chest workout that you could do anywhere. I'm at the gym, but like I said, you're just gonna be using the bands and some P-bars, and we're gonna attack our chest in all different angles. Not too much of a beginner workout, it's more intermediate, more advanced. But if you're a beginner, if you wanna do these, again, with a lot of the push-ups, if it's too hard for you, just get on your knees and you'll be able to do those that way. So the very first exercise that I'm gonna do is we're gonna do a reverse grip push-ups with our feet elevated, but we're gonna add resistance with a resistance band. And use the proper level resistance bands. The best way to put these around your back is don't bring it from the top, bring it from over here on the side so it stays more secure. Bring it from right here, because if you come over here, sometimes it might slip over your head. So you wanna make sure you bring it over here always. We're gonna use a reverse grip like this on the bars, and we're gonna go 15 reps, and we're gonna do 4 sets of these. All right, you wanna rest anywhere between 30 to 45 seconds, and then you're gonna move on to the next set. Again, we're gonna do 4 sets. For those of you guys interested in these P-bars or the resistance bands, just check the link in the description and use my code there for a discount. All right, guys, after you finish all your 4 sets of 15, we're gonna move on to the next exercise, which are dead stop push-ups. So we're just gonna do these on the ground, but with all these exercises, I'm using bands, so I'm gonna increase the intensity of the exercise by using bands to make the difficulty a little bit harder. If using bands is too hard for you, just don't use any bands, but I'm using bands to add more resistance. And we're gonna do dead stop push-ups. We're gonna do 15 reps, all the way from the bottom and all the way to the top. So we're gonna just come down, dead stop, push back up, and we're gonna do 15 reps. All right, after you finish your 15 reps, again, rest 30 to 45 seconds, and then we're gonna repeat this 4 times. All right, guys, we're gonna move on to the next exercise. We're gonna do some flies. I just went ahead and anchored 2 bands right here. Again, use any appropriate level of resistance bands. Anchor them up on anywhere where you could hook them up, like a pull-up bar, your doorway, and then you wanna do these on your knees, so you wanna make sure there's constant tension throughout. So even in the stretched out position right here, you wanna make sure there's tension right here. You wanna step up a little bit forward, and you're gonna bring them in, and you're gonna squeeze, and you're gonna do 15 of these reps. All right, again, rest 30 to 45 seconds, and you're gonna do 4 sets of these. Okay, guys, next exercise we're doing is we're gonna do elevated reverse grip push-ups using an elevated surface. You could grab a table, a bench, a chair, anywhere where you could elevate your upper body. Same thing, we're gonna use a resistance band, but if you can't do it with it, just don't do it with a resistance band. And we're gonna put it behind ours. We're gonna make sure there's tension right there. And with this, just like any other exercise, we wanna make sure that we're using proper form. We feel, especially with this one, that stretch at the bottom with our chest touching the surface, and then come back up, and we're gonna do 15 reps. right, guys, we're gonna, again, rest 30 to 45 seconds, and we're gonna do 4 sets of these. Okay, guys, and we're gonna finish it off right here with this finisher. We're gonna go back to these bands right here. Use appropriate level resistance bands. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get on our knees, we're gonna create a fist, and we're gonna do some punches. We're gonna do 16 total reps, where you're just punching and squeezing. Come back up, and we're doing 16 reps. From right here, we're gonna go straight into some push-ups on our fingertips. Fifteen reps. And that's one set. We're gonna rest 30 to 45 seconds, and we're gonna do this 4 times. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoy this workout. Give this workout a shot. Let me know what you think. Also, if you guys are looking for some P-bars, like the ones I use, some resistance bands, they're from Lebert Fitness. Make sure to check them out. The link in the description. Use a discount code right there for a discount. And then follow me for more workouts, or also just let me know what else you'd like to see next, and I'll make sure I'll get it for you, what type of workouts, and I'll see you next time.